Hello friends, today we are going to review a very famous website that provides us awesome tutorials on web development. Yes, you guessed it right. We are going to review W3schools. So let's just search W3schools. This is one of the most popular websites if you want to learn web tutorials. So what does it say? W3schools is an educational website for learning web technologies online, and content includes tutorials and references relating to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSON, PHP, Python, and whatnot. Everything is here, but it is famous for web development. So here, see, HTML tutorials, Python tutorials, SQL, PHP, JavaScript, CSS, everything is here. Let's just click on this link. Okay, see, as you can see here, the UI is actually pretty simple. Okay, everything you will get here. Tutorials, so many tutorials, HTML and CSS, JavaScript, programming, server side, web building, XML, everything is here. So first of all, let's just click on the tutorials. For example, I want to learn HTML from scratch, so here I will click learn HTML. Okay, it loads pretty fast. HTML tutorial. So what is this? It will tell you simply everything. Okay, from introduction to the last. You will learn pretty good if you learn from here. So what is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. With HTML you can create your own website. HTML is easy to learn. You will enjoy it. So what are the benefits? They are saying that they have examples in every chapter. You will get examples in every chapter. Also, you will get exercises to solve, and there are quizzes also, quiz tests. So let's click on the introduction. So on the introduction page, it will tell what is HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and so many things. Why do we use HTML? It describes the structure of a web page and everything. I'm not going into details in this video, and these are all the things that you will learn. HTML forms, how to create forms, HTML5, graphics, media, everything you will learn here. Okay, so this is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, everything. Now let's go back to the home page. This is where you will learn. Now what is this? References. References means that, okay, let's see here. HTML tag reference. So what are these references? You will understand more easily with this. So these are the tags, and what does this mean? Now this tag means it defines a comment. Now document type tag defines the document type. So these are the references. Okay, and they provide references for all the languages: HTML, JavaScript, programming, server side. These are all references. Now examples. Examples, it will tell, if it will give you examples on every programming language. This is the best part. See, HTML examples. What are the examples of HTML languages? HTML language. HTML examples. You see, from basic to high level. HTML basics, HTML attributes, HTML headings, HTML paragraphs. See, HTML paragraphs. We will see examples for the paragraph. Okay, here, this is a paragraph, this is a paragraph, this is a paragraph. So for paragraphs, this example. Now it has inbuilt compiler, so that you can also run your code here only. You don't have to get a separate compiler. They provide you a compiler here also. So when I click on run, see, this is the output. This is a paragraph. This code is for paragraph, and when I will run this code, it will show something like this. This is a paragraph, this is a paragraph, this is a paragraph. So it is a very good website. Let's go on to the home page. Now they provide you also exercises if you want to solve exercises or quizzes, and they also provide you certificate courses if you want to get a certificate in HTML, CSS. See, this is the paid part. Certificates are paid. Everything else is completely free of cost here. So also you can translate this website into any language. Basically most of the languages are here. Indian languages are also here. See, Hindi or Kannada and so many other languages, Punjabi and Malayalam, so many languages, so that you can learn easily with your preferred language. So this was it. I hope this video was useful, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you find this video useful. Thank you friends.